Guys, I need to apologize. Not to you, but to this spool of filament. I've had this sitting on my shelf for an entire year. 1 full year. I ignored it. I looked at the label, I saw Ebony Black, and I thought, great, another boring pitch black filament. I'll use it for bracket or something hidden eventually. And I was deadly wrong. I finally opened it last week and my jaw hit the floor. This isn't just black plastic. This is something else entirely. As soon as the vacuum seal broke, two things happened. First, the smell. This stuff contains at least 30% real wood, and you can tell. It smells like a high-end carpentry shop or a cozy fireplace. And the second? The color. It's not printer ink black. It's a deep, rich organic dark brown with a matte finish that looks, well, expensive. It has a physical texture you can actually feel. I've printed with a lot of wood filaments, but I've never seen anything that looks this premium right off the build plate. I started with a pencil holder. It's designed to look like a carved log, and honestly, if I put this on the shelf in a furniture store, nobody would believe it came out of 0.4mm nozzle. Because of the wood fibers, the layer lines basically disappear into the grain. Look at the roof of this tiny medieval pub. The ebony tone gives it that age-weathered look that it usually needs hours of painting to achieve. Same with this card holder. The texture is tactile. It feels warm in touch, not like cold, oily plastic. And also has this wood texture on it. Looks amazing. This is my favorite. I used the Bamboo Lab lamp kit, printed the bottom in a natural wood, light wood color, and the shade top, this part, in this ebony black. It doesn't look like a 3D printed project, it looks like a designer lamp you'd buy for way too much money at a boutique. I even did a phone case. I used special build plate for that, triangle holographic pattern on the back. But the feel of the ebony wood on the sides and the top and the bottom is just the winner here. It's grippy, matte, and has that organic wooden touch in your hand. Feels premium as hell. I wanted to see how it paired with other textures, so I printed this deep sea creatures chess set. The white pieces are printed with Stone Age Light PLA, and the, of course, dark are with Ebony Black PLA wood. It's the ultimate nature versus earth vibe. Even though they are both technically PLAs, the contrast between the stone and the dark wood is incredible. And a huge plus? Even with all those crazy sea creature details, the support snapped off like a dream. And it was printed with 0.2mm layer height, but the details are like visible everywhere and the layer lines are just invisible. This is perfect combination in my opinion. Now, before you go and grab a roll, I have a few tips for you. Even though I printed this with a 0.4mm nozzle, with no clogs and problems whatsoever, it is abrasive because of these wood fibers naturally. So please use hardened nozzle unless you want your brass nozzle to be drilled out by the end of the spool. The flow, well, this isn't for your speed demon settings. Slow it down a little, let those fibers lay down nicely. I even printed this shirt hanger mount. It's strong enough for daily use and looks way better than basic PLA. It has these nice stripes and it feels premium. I'm gonna use this word so many times in this video. So the moral of the story, don't let the boring label fool you. Spectrum's Ebony Black Wood is officially my new favorite. It's matte, it's texturated, it smells amazing, and it turns 3D prints into actual furniture grade art. I've put the link in the description so you don't have to wait a year to discover this like I did. Well, what do you think? Does this look like a plastic to you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this redemption story. And I'll see you in the next one. Seriously, it smells really good.